Oh, how are you?
Good. You
Good.
know how looks a very smiley face?
Yeah.
It's my face.
So, Rafael, you've been coming here and done some driving lessons? Yeah?
I feel happy with this lesson because I really understand the things that the Australia hopes about immigrants, the driving expedition.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
yes.
So
It's very good.
you've done very well and you've passed your driving test today?
Yes, was
All
nice.
good?
A good experience. The
Mhm.
lessons and fails is good experience because you learn about and have more experience to drive in Australia
And more respect for the
and
law.
more respect for the law.
That's
Yes.
right. Exactly right.
Habits from our countries are wrong.
Yeah.
Sure.
Well, your wife's next, isn't she?
My wife is the next
Your
one.
wife is next, so we're going
Yeah.
to see Ileana.
Ileana, I love you.
Yeah. See you, mate.
See you.
I better let you go to your wife and your family. Thanks, Rafael. Been a pleasure.
No, thanks, Carmelo.
You're
You are
welcome,
the
mate.
best.
Cheers, mate. See ya.
Good.